Take out the blue yarn. Make a chain. Make a loop first. Put the hook through the loop and tighten the loop. Wrap the pinky around once and pick up the yarn with the index finger. Pinch the loop. Take out the hook with your right hand and yarn over. Pull the yarn through the loop. You can see here, a V-shaped stitch is formed. 2, 3, 4, 5. After making 5 chain, find the second one. Insert the needle at this place. Hook the first circle. Note that you should start from the second one. In the second position. Insert the needle from here. And increase. This is the first stitch. Make a mark button. In the same stitch. Continue to make an SC. And the increase is completed. Next, continue to make 2 single crochet. In the last stitch, make 4 single crochet at the same time. These 4 single crochet are in the same stitch. Four single crochet are completed. Now come to the other side of the chain. Continue to do it according to the instructions. This is the other half of the V shape. The first single crochet. The second single crochet. Then an increase. Come to the second circle. First, 2 increase. Crochet according to the instructions. Start the first stitch from the position where the mark button is made. First, complete 2 inks. Still make a mark button at the starting position of each circle. Continue crocheting. The first increase is completed. The second increase. Continue crocheting according to the instructions. After crocheting the 13th circle, crochet the 14th circle. We see the red text in the instructions. It means that you need to change to light blue yarn. To change the yarn and crochet. Next, we will demonstrate how to change the yarn. First, take out the light blue yarn and put it aside. Untie the mark button. After crocheting the black part of the 14th circle. Make a mark on the first stitch. When making the 4th SC, you need to change the yarn. The crochet hook pulls the yarn over, and 2 loops are formed on the crochet hook. Here you need to use the light blue yarn to pull the yarn. At the last stitch to change the yarn. You need to use the yarn change to pull the yarn to complete the yarn change. Put the yarn end of the light blue yarn on the back. Wrap the yarn with your left hand. Press the yarn end with your fingers. Press the blue yarn and the light blue yarn at the same time. Crochet hook yarn over, pull the light blue yarn through the 2 loops on the hook. After changing the yarn, the loop on the hook turns light blue. Then use the light blue yarn to crochet the red part. First, do an SC through the stitch. Put the light blue yarn and the blue yarn on the hook. This way you can wrap the yarn. After pulling the yarn back, do an SC. Then do a decrease. Still put the yarn on the hook. Each time the hook passes through the stitch, put the yarn on the hook. Then 6 SC. After doing 3 or 4 stitches, the yarn is fixed. No need to handle the yarn ends. No longer wrap the yarn on the hook. Then do a decrease. Then 6 SC. When doing the last 6 SC, the same thing is behind. This is the black font part. In this stitch, you need to change back to the dark blue yarn to make the last loop. Pull out a little yarn. Still press it with your middle finger. yarn over. Pull over the 2 loops on the hook. Cut the dark blue yarn in front. Fix the blue yarn and the light blue yarn in the same way. Tighten the loop. Next is ADEC. Through the stitch. Put the 2 yarns above the hook. Pull the yarn back. Through the stitch. The yarn is always above the hook. Pull the yarn back. Yarn over and pull over the loops on the hook. Next 6SC. The 2 yarn ends are still above the hook. After 3 or 4 stitches, the yarn ends are fixed. Cut the light blue yarn. Continue to crochet according to the instructions. No need to worry about the yarn ends. One yarn change is done. This is the effect of changing the yarn in one circle. Follow the same method, continue to crochet. Complete the last stitch of 18 circles. Yarn over and pull the loop on the hook. Cut the yarn. Pull the loop over. Tighten it. Fill it with stuffing. Take out the matching stuffing. The stuffing will be a little tight due to vacuum compression. When you take it out, you can rub it. Make it fluffy. The head is now done.